guys, it's Denise
and Shayla,
and today we are going to go show you guys our slime. So let's get started. So here's my slime, and it's blue and it crunches. Can't really hear it.
Get it up closer so that way they can hear it.
It's crunchy like this.
Yeah, you can hear it. Okay.
Yes, and I'm going to play with mine for a little bit, and my friend Shayla's going to show you her slime.
Okay, guys, here's my slime, and it's purple. It kind of looks gray, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's purple.
You guys can't probably tell.
And there's glitter in ours. Can't really see it because the camera. Okay.
You guys can see mine. That has
Mine
glitter.
too.
Okay. That was weird. So let's get all of our slime out. Ooh, this is gonna be a little bit tough.
Let's put this down so we can see our slime on the Can't pour mine out.
It's so sticky.
Yeah, because we just made this yesterday.
And we can put it on the table.
Yes, I got it on the table, guys.
Did you have all of it? Oh, yeah, she has all of it, but mine needs work because it's still sticky.
Oh my gosh, put it farther because mine's closer to you. Let's just put this pet far so it can see us. Hi. Now you can see us. Now you can see us. It's slime.
I'm all grown up. We are all grown up. Everyone's all grown up. And now we get to go. Now we get to us adults.
Okay, give me my slime.
Hey, that's my slime. It's not funny.
Sorry, we were just telling both of us a secret.
Yeah, and I know what it was. I'm telling you.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could tell. We could tell you.
It's that that was actually my slime, and she put it inside of her slime. And I don't even have that much slime. See?
But look at mine. I do a high five to myself.
Let me get my spoon and scoop it out.
Let me get this and get my hands. Our containers is somewhere. It's right here, but we're not going to show you. My slime's called Sky Crystal Galaxy Slime.
My slime is called Skyscraper. I like that name.
Me too. I like mine.
It's a little bit.
This is how much I have my slime.
Guys, my spoon just fell.
Get it? Oh my gosh.
It's right here. It fell on my lap.
Look, guys. Did you hurry up and get your slime?
Hey, I'm trying my best.
You're kidding me? I'm gonna feel your slime.
No. Hey! It's my slime.
Hallelujah.
Leave it.
Oh God. Ow, it almost came in my hair. Because I have bangs. Leave my bangs.
Oh, this is wet on the table.
Mine's not. Because mine.
Uh-huh.
See? Okay, give me my slime.
I got a little bit of hers, and she has a little bit
guys.
of mine.
We want to make sure if it's butter slime. I'm
Yeah.
gonna go get some knives right back. But not, I'm just gonna get 2 knives. That's for only us.
Yeah, not for you guys.
Yeah.
We're not selling it.
Tell them what we're giving away.
Well, we're giving away,
Nickelodeon slime. JoJo See what?
We don't have that slime.
No, for Christmas.
I don't think your mom is
I'm
gonna.
gonna give it away on Christmas, but if she's not gonna be here, I'll just give it away myself. Here's a knife. I'm gonna try mine first. Oh, mine's butter slime.
Both of ours.
Yeah, but if we add clay in it, it's really butter slime. Oh, guys, this is the best I ever seen. Oh my gosh, it's sticking on my hand. No. I think it's sticking on my hand. Hello, I'm a monster. Ah! The easy way to get off your hand if you're making slime, you have to do this with your slime if you already know. If you're watching this, JoJo, please comment down below because we love you.
And we're probably gonna give away one slime.
One slime just for you, and I'll give away one slime for Bobo, your dog.
Oh, I think Bubba will like it.
Yeah, Bobo, I'm gonna make it like brown and put like bows in it.
Because it's Bobo.
Yeah.
And that's a cute thing. JoJo, you have a cute dog. I wish I could have a dog like that.
Tell me your house number and where you live because I want to go in your house because I want to get like some of your stuff and your thing. And Shayla too.
What stuff?
That she has like a lot of JoJo stuff.
We only get one thing, okay?
We get a lot.
JoJo, do we get a lot of your things?
Comment down below.
Yeah.
And everybody that's what else watching, comment down below. Denise, whatever you say, and what you gonna comment down below.
And Shayla, whatever you're gonna say.
Then after that, on our next video, you guys have to comment down below. Our perfume video, you have to comment down below. JoJo Siwa, I don't really care about what they say. I come back like a boomerang and high top shoes.
If you guys like that song.
Yep. And Kid in a Candy Store. Chop.
High top shoes.
Na 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 na. High top slime. Na 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 na.
High top shoes.
I'm just gonna play with mine off the table.
No, 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 no.
Look how big's my slime. We just used 2 glues because my friend came here yesterday. If you guys know Shayla and Indiana at your school.
Fuquay.
Yes.
If you guys are watching this right now.
And Kayla or Aujane, if you're watching this video, please comment down below and tell me. And I'm in your school, so remember.
And if you guys are trying to comment down below that you see me, comment down below that you see me.
And Aujane, my house number is 4326 St. Martin's Place if you want to come to my house.
I don't know what my house number is.
What?
I only know my phone number.
She lives in Ohio.
I don't live in Ohio.
She's just sleeping over for a little while.
Yep, not for a little while, a lot while.
Yep.
2 weeks. I'm staying here for 2 weeks.
Yep. It's already been 1 week, so tomorrow you're leaving. I'm just kidding. Did you hear that? I'm going to see if I can do the swirl. I should do it because this has glitter in it. See the glitter?
Ah, my spoon.
Guess what color is the glitter? Comment down below.
I bet they're gonna guess it's pink. Dang it.
Yeah, but it's not pink.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. Well, you have to guess it. Well, we will tell you if you don't know. It's pink if you don't know. See the pink? Oh, there's my hair. Look at it when I do this.
See all the pink?
Guys, I'm going to put mine in the bowl.
I'm not.
Because mine's getting it everywhere. It's easy for me.
She's crazy. Oh, I'm trying to get that sun off of my ball. I'm having fun, aren't you?
Okay, thank you for watching. Comment down below and
Bye.
hit that button. Bye.
Bye.